Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Rudolph. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, we're gonna need something to color with. I'm using markers. We're also gonna need a brown pencil and a pink color pencil too. I'm gonna use a marker to draw, but you can also use a pencil if you want to. Let's start here on the top of the paper. We're gonna do the eyes first, and it's just two small ovals. And then we're gonna continue with the nose, and on the bottom here, we're gonna do a big oval. Like this. Then we're gonna continue with the smile. We're gonna do a letter U that goes to the left, and another one that goes to the right. There, we're gonna put two little lines on the top. And now I'm gonna do the eyebrows, two little lines, and we're gonna continue with the head all around. Okay, so I want to start on the top. Here on the top of the eyebrows, I want to do a line, curved line. Then we're gonna go round to the left side, and now on the right side the same thing. We're gonna go down, and then now let's join these two together. There. Now I'm going to do the ears, so I'm going to start on the left side. I'm going to go curve up and go down, and then I'm just going to join these on the head and put a line in the middle. Now let's do the same thing in the other side. Curve up and down, join to the head and a line in the middle. There. Now let's do the antlers here, and we're going to go up with a curved line, up with a curved line, and we're going to start going down in the other side by doing letter U's, upside down letter U's. The first one is the bigger one, and we go down 3 times. Let's do it again. This is 1, 2, and 3, and then we do a little line there. Now here is going to have like a collar with bells, so we're going to do 2 curved lines, then we're going to join these in the bottom there, and we're gonna do here another line. So let's do 2 curvy lines, small ones. Here we're gonna join them, and we're gonna leave a space in between the lines because here is going to be the bell. So we're gonna do circles. Let's do 3, and in the middle of the circles I'm gonna put a curved line, and you can put it in different directions for the bells. Now let's continue with the body. We're gonna go down with a curved line on the left and another one on the right, and in the center or in the middle we're gonna leave a little bit of a space here. I'm gonna do a diagonal line that goes down, down, so one goes to the right and the other one goes to the left, see, and we start leaving these spaces. Now let's do one more right here. And let's start closing on the bottom. So this one joins to the first leg, this one too. And here we're gonna go on a curved line to close. And now let's do the bottom part with a square in each leg. Just like this. And the last detail, let's put a little tiny line here. There, that's it. We finished. This Rudolph was super easy. And here is where you can stop the video if you wanna finish something with it. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.